Close your eyes, relax your body, your hands, your arms, your shoulders, your upper body, your neck, your head. Keep the tip of the tongue touching the roof of the mouth so you connect in the functional and governor channels to get the energy flowing unimpeded. Bring the hand in, inhale, exhale. Inhale, visualize the energy going through the palm of your hand as you inhale and bring the energy to the lower dantian, activating the orbit, re-energizing the orbit, feeding all the 5 main organs as you inhale. Breathe in, breathe out. As you breathe out, flush the body out of toxins, pushing the residual energy out of the body to be recycled. Inhale, tummy in. Exhale, tummy out. The energy is now flowing through the orbit. Be aware of that tingling sensation on your spine. That's the energy circulating in the orbit, stimulating all the organs, activating the nutrients, positive energy being ingested by all the organs, reactivating them. Change the hand, inhale, tummy in, wipe the window, exhale, tummy out. Disperse the energy around your body. Exhale, tummy out. Breathe in through the palm of your hand and keep feeding the lower dantian with invigorating, radiating energy being collected from the cosmos. Exhale, tummy out. Inhale, tummy in. Exhale, tummy out. Inhale, exhale. Combine the two hands, circulating the hands in front of your body, dispersing the energy, inhaling the positive cosmic energy, assimilating it and using it to flush the body. Inhale, tummy in. Exhale, tummy out. The energy is now flowing unimpeded in the orbit. And on the out breath, is pushing out negative emotions, refreshing and invigorating the whole body. Relax for a minute. Meditate on the experience you just had, the benefit that you give into the body by ingesting cosmic energy. Disperse any concentrated energy by tapping your body, tapping your trunk, your hands, your arms and your head. Tap your kidneys. And thanks the universe for the amazing experience that you just had, for the opportunity given to appreciate energy and to work with cosmic energy for restoration of health.